Hello everyone, tie your hair in the middle and drop it inside, make into a twister band and bring the right section to the left and braid it, and have the braid go to the top and have it secure there with hairpin. Then drop in your favorite hairpin collection. Move your bunch 180 degrees to the right and have a hairpin attached from left to right and secure it on the opposite direction. Have a band attached to the top middle part of the ponytail and bend it and push it even more downwards by having a hairpin. Do have a vast amount of collection. Tie your hair in the middle and have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher and have it attached to the top. Then have the middle section twister and have it in the second clutcher. Then have the right section into the first clutcher and the left section into the third clutcher. Then have it attached to the top middle part of the ponytail and bend it down and push it even more downwards by having a very big black hairpin and adjust the volume. Braid the top part of the ponytail and make it a lump and have a rubber attached to the top. Then have another rubber attached to the bottom middle part of the ponytail and make a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it and make the entire loop come around the bun we created. Split the tail into two and have it secured underneath with the rubber band. Then have it stuffed inside and have a very beautiful hair clutcher clutching underneath the bun we just now had. Have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached on top of your ponytail and twist the right section of the ponytail and have it in the third clutcher and the middle section into the second clutcher and the remaining section into the first clutcher. Then have a rubber attached to the top middle part of the tail and bend it down and push it even more downwards by having a very big black hairpin of your choice. Have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached to your hair and have a middle section twister into the second clutcher and the right section into the first clutcher and the left section into the third clutcher. Then have a rubber attached to the top middle part of the ponytail and have it down and push it even more downwards by having a very big black hairpin of your choice. Do have a lovely collection of hair clutchers. Hold your bunch on top and have a very big black hairpin attached to it and have the ponytail back and have a rubber attached to the middle part and bend the tail down and attach it to the last loop of the rubber band. Then have a very big hair clutcher attached to it. Have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached vertically on the ponytail on the top section, then have the side sections of your hair, then have it attached to the first clutcher and the middle one to the second clutcher and the last one to the third clutcher, then comb the remaining hair a little bit. Tie your hair in the middle and make a twister band and out of the remaining hair make a ponytail and have a rubber attached to the bottom middle part, then have a tip attached to the last loop of the rubber band and bend the tail over and stuff it inside the middle one, then have it even more as a bun. Then move the bun to the top by having a very beautiful hairpin of your choice and secure it on the opposite direction, then stretch the bun. Grab a strip of hair from the right and have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached to it and twist the left section on the top side and have it attached to the third clutcher. Then have another section right below it in the second clutcher. Then have another section right below that in the first clutcher. Do have a lovely hair clip collection. Hold your ponytail on top and have a very beautiful hair clutcher attached to the bottom of it and have a rubber attached to the top middle part of the ponytail and bend the tail down and attach it to the last loop of the rubber band. Then push it even more further by having a very big black hairpin and extend the bun for volume. Have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached to your hair and have the left section on the top side and have it in the second clutcher. Then do the same for the right one as well. Then have left section on the other side and have it in the first clutcher and do the same for the right section. Out of your lovely hair, make a beautiful bunch and with the last loop of the rubber band create a lump and have another rubber band attached to the bottom middle part of the tail and stuff the tail into the middle one making it as a bun and move the bun to the top covering the lump and secure with a lovely hairpin from your collection. Then have the bun extended for a little volume. This time choose a toothed hair clutcher and have your beautiful hair completely twisted onto one of its tooth and have it as a bun. Then hide the bun's bottom by having it twisted on the opposite side and have it secured from right to left. Then close the clutcher securing the whole bun. Create a gap behind your ponytail by using your finger and drop your entire tail into it and make it come down. Then close the gap by combing it and have a rubber attached to the bottom middle part of the tail and stuff the tail into the middle one by securing the last loop of the rubber band and have a very beautiful hairpin from your collection and secure it on the opposite direction. Then secure the bun. Grab your gorgeous hair from behind and using your index finger twist your hair entirely onto it making it as a hair roll and have a tip underneath the roll and have a very beautiful hair clutcher clutching it. Thank you everyone for watching this video.